Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung anong energies for you ngayong week na to. Weekly reading, July 8 to 14, 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book. So, your overall energy is the Queen of Wands. You have a lot of kumbaga marami kang gustong gawin ngayong week na to. You are pumped up. Very much, ka ngayon, energetic. Maaring marami kang maasikaso for this week. Siyempre, kailangan, iplano mo, di ba? Yung mga activities mo, yung mga errands mo, kailangan mo asikasuhin. Some of you will be traveling a lot this week. You will go to some places. Okay, so your challenge is the Ace of Cups. And then your opportunity is the Knight of Swords. Your blessing is the Three of Wands. Wow. Okay, so as a challenge, maaaring meron kang hindi ina-acknowledge na feeling. Yung tipong hindi mo pinapansin yung totoong nararamdaman mo. This can be romantic, no? For some of you, pwedeng para sa sarili mo to. So, this is something na kailangan mong i-address sa sarili mo. Kung masaya ka, kung malungkot ka, ayan, i-acknowledge mo. And then, some of you, maaring may iniiwasan kayo na connection. Like a potential relationship. Pwede kasing you are dealing with someone na parang masyadong mabilis ang pangyayari, no? Parang mabilis, masyadong malakas ang bilib niya sa sarili niya. Yung parang medyo assertive, no? Oo, aggressive na tao. So, parang ayaw mo ng ganon. So, your blessing is the Three of Wands, which is about expansion. So, some of you may opportunity to work abroad or may mga magandang updates, positive na updates or balita sa ina-applyan mo. I feel like you are more yun nga, energetic. And I think marami kang ma-accomplish ngayong week na to. Ito yung tipong hindi mo akalain marami ka palang matatapos na gawin. Ito yung mga pinagpapaliban mong gawin. Halimbawa, dapat magpapaayos ka ng sasakyan, magpaparehistro ka, meron kang babayarang amilyar, or anything that na dapat na nagawa mo na a few weeks ago. A few weeks back. Let's see your, what is the Queen of Wands? The Three of Swords. Oh. Some of you, yun nga, meron kayong hindi ina-acknowledge dito na feelings, Gemini, kaya ang ginagawa nyo, parang, you're making yourself busy. Which is, for me, it's a good sign na meron kang, kumbaga you are doing something para ma-release mo yung frustration mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, galing kayo sa separation, disappointment with someone, you're feeling heartbroken, pero ikaw mismo yung nagli-lift up sa sarili mo na, malayo sa bituka yan, yung mga ganun. Oo, na okay lang yan. You have the Ace of Coins as a challenge. Yes, new beginnings and challenge sa inyo. Pwede kasing may opportunity na for a new business, career, or a project. Tapos, hindi nyo pinapansin. You have the Eight of Wands. Yes. Medyo papaspasan mo tong week na to. Siguro, marirealize mo na, nagawa ko yun sa isang linggo lang. Marami ka na nagawa. So, your blessing also is the Six of Cups, which is about what you love, no? I think as a blessing, merong yung mga nasimulan nyo na, let's say, trabaho, business, career, lalo pa tong uunlad, no? Lalo na kung nandun talaga yung passion nyo, yung inyong dedication, The more na minamahal nyo ang trabaho, career nyo, business, or even relationship nyo, lalo itong nagiging successful, lalo itong nag-grow. Okay? So, let's see what else do we have for you, Gemini, ngayong week na to. You have Moon in Gemini in the 3rd house, which is adaptability. I think whatever, kung ano man yung mga demands sa'yo ng situation mo, trabaho mo, career, ng business mo, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-handle, no? Marami kang kayang gawin ngayong week na to. You can definitely make some changes kung kailangan mong may gawing pagbabago. Oo, kumbaga kayang-kaya mong mag-adapt sa pagbabago. Kumbaga mas flexible ka ngayon. You also have Mercury in Capricorn in the 10th house. Mercury is the planet of communication, thoughts, and ang 10th house is your career. So, pwedeng ngayong week na to marami kang kakausapin sa trabaho, or maaring you will present a report sa trabaho, sa career mo, wherein maraming mga taong makikinig sa mga sinasabi mo. You also have Mars in Taurus in the 2nd house. 2nd house is your finances, yung iyong possessions, material possessions. So, having Mars here, I think, medyo, yung iba sa inyo baka maging spender ngayong week na to, yung tipong medyo magastos. Oo. Maaring meron kayong mga decision sa pera nyo na biglaan, no, pabigla-bigla. So, you have to make sure na ano man yung pagkakagastosan nyo ngayong week na to, ay kailangan nyo talaga. Okay? Para, walang wastage, walang masasayang. Let's see what else, Gemini. You have Ship. So, this is opportunity, no? May parating na opportunity sa inyo. Yung iba talaga, may pagkakataon makapag-travel abroad or makapag-trabaho abroad. Kung meron kayong hinihintay na international package, no? Ayan, parating na. You also have letter. This is news. May balita. Good news for some of you. Maaring good news sa ina-applyan mo, good news sa kontrata na gusto mong pasukin. You also have the 3, which is your health, and this is growth, okay? So some of you, you are growing. You are growing your finances, you're growing your career, you are developing your character. Yung iba naman, you are also paying attention to your health, no? Magpo-focus rin kayo sa pagpapasaayos ng inyong kalusugan. You have Mountain. Mountain is some obstacles, no, na kailangan mong malagpasan, no? Kailangan mong pagdaanan, pero after naman nun, you will become a better version of yourself dahil ikaw ay naging matatag na, no? So, maaring yung obstacle na yan, may related yan sa dami ng gagawin mo ngayong week na to. Money, career, finances, 5 of Wands, the Emperor. Yung iba sa inyo kung meron kayong boss, medyo pwedeng ito yung challenging situation with your boss. Maraming iuutos sa'yo. Maraming ipapagawa sa'yo. So, sa relationship naman, you have the 6 of Coins, the Knight of Coins, and the Strength card. Okay. So, when it comes to your relationship, I think, binabalanse mo yung oras at panahon mo sa person mo, lalo na at magiging very busy ka. If you are in a relationship right now, kumbaga give and take yung situation ninyo. May times na iintindihin ka niya, may times na ikaw naman yung iintindi sa kanya. Ganun naman sa relationship. Para maging successful at matatag, kailangan kaya niyong magbigay sa bawat isa. Spread seeds of love and creativity and see them blossom. Wow! So, meron talagang growth pag-unlad sa inyo. Lalo na yung mga nasimulan nyo na in the past, like what I mentioned kanina, yung pwedeng matagal nyo na itong ginagawa, trabaho, career, business, at the more na pinagtutuunan nyo ng pansin, the more passionate you are, the more success that it will become, no? The more successful it will become. So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.